Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I say this every month, but once again, it's hard to believe the month has flown by. And today I wanted to share with you some of my March favorites. So if you like favorite videos like this one, please don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So I wanted to just go ahead and jump right into it. And I wanted to start off with things I'm loving in makeup this month. And I think you've probably seen this palette in a few of my other videos, which I'll link down below, but I'm really enjoying the IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi palette. So this is a all-over face palette, but I really like how everything is nicely compact and all together in one single palette. I just love IT Cosmetic products, and I'm going to be doing a Get Ready With Me featuring IT Cosmetic products real soon, so please look out for that one. But you just have all your face necessities in one handy palette. So there's the bronzer, the highlighter, the blush, and their famous Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. So these apply just really smoothly, are long wearing, and it's really nice, real quick coverage for me for the day. So I've been using this quite a bit this month, and it comes with a very huge mirror as well. So the next item I wanted to mention was a clothing item. So again, I have a ton of stuff that I could have chosen from because I really love collecting clothes, but what I decided to go with are these Spanx jeans. So of course you're familiar with the Spanx line, their iconic red label, but I didn't know that they actually made jeans. These aren't leggings, they're actually jeans with Spanx technology built in. I think it's one of their newer lines of materials. But this is true denim. I have it in the white denim version. It has the release cuff, which I think is really popular now as well. And very light distressing. There's a couple of spots that are distressed, but it's not overly distressed. So I think this is still appropriate to wear around to go to meetings. I've actually, to be honest, worn it to one of our more casual work meetings, and I think it works okay. The stressed areas really are pretty subtle, and you really can't even tell in my opinion. The waistline is just a pull-on waistline and really sucks you in like all their Spanx products do. It has a tummy panel on the front as well. Because I'm still trying to lose the baby weight, this jean has come in really handy this month, and I really love white denim as well. So I've already been wearing this, even though it just turned spring. I think that white denim really freshens up many outfits, especially going to the next few months. So these have been really a lifesaver for me. The next item I wanted to mention was a pair of shoes, and I know you've seen these before from the recent Nordstrom anniversary sale, but it's the Vince Camuto booties with the lacing details on the side. And I think these are just gorgeous. I picked them up last summer during the anniversary sale, but really hadn't worn them too much, to be honest, until recently. And these, in my opinion, are one of the most perfect transitional boots going from winter into spring. It's still a little cold here, and it rains quite a bit still, so I often do want full foot or toe coverage, which this provides. However, with this cutout detail and the low vamp here, it really lends itself well to styling with a lot of spring type outfits as well. So I've been getting a lot of use out of them. Plus I have them in this really nice taupey neutral color too. So I'll link these down below if they're still available. I believe they are probably still on sale, but definitely check them out if you haven't already. Otherwise, any type of booty or shooty like this I think works really well this time of year. So I have a jewelry favorite now, and I'm going to be selecting for this month as my favorites, a Stella & Dot Rebel studs. So I know you've seen this before in my Stella & Dot video, which I'll link down below. But this is just a beautiful marbleized stone with gold tone details. And it's just a plain stud otherwise. But I've been really loving this because now that I'm working, again, full time, I'm able to wear this a lot in the workplace. It's a very subtle style. However, it is not your plain old pearl or gold tone stud. It has a little bit of style as well to it, and it's very easy to pair with many outfits. So I'm just loving this very simple, however beautifully detailed stud. The next thing I wanted to mention was actually one of the things I got in my FabFitFun box that you'll see in my unboxing video, and it's sunglasses from Key Australia. And as I've seen that video, I just couldn't help myself. I got 2 pairs since they were such a good value, and this is one of them that I've been particularly liking. So the style is called Vivian, and it's a version of their aviators, but just a plain black lens with black frame as well. So I think this particular style suits my face pretty well. I tend to like a little more oversized sunglass. And in these winter to spring transitional months, I think the darker lens works really well. I think in the summer months, I'm going to be busting out some of my Kia Julia sunglasses with the more colored lenses or silver frames. But for right now, I really am liking just black on black lenses and frames. This has definitely been a favorite recently for me. So one of my current baby item favorites is this hand sanitizer from Baby Ganix, and it's alcohol-free hand sanitizer, and it's very gentle for baby. So this time of year, as you know, we really have to be careful of getting coughs and colds, especially having 3 kids in daycare and 1 kid in elementary school. We bring home a lot of germs and colds every day. So I'm really cautious about trying to prevent spreading the sicknesses around our home as much as possible. And also at work, I'm exposed to people who are sick on a day-to-day basis as well. So hand sanitizers are really a must for every bag I bring around. And I really do like this foaming version of it. So most other hand sanitizers are either alcohol-based or gel-based. And this one is a nice foam, as you can see. And I do like foaming hand products, both for this hand sanitizer, but also in hand soaps as well. And there really isn't a strong scent or really any scent at all to this product, which makes it really nice as well. And there's something about the foam, I just feel like it cleans my hands that much better. And it doesn't leave it really dry like some of the more alcohol-based or gel-based products do. So this is a really nice one to try if you haven't checked it out already, especially if you have newborns or little ones like we do. And finally, I did want to include one homeware or cooking item, as I said I will every month. As you know, I've been trying to start cooking more as well, and I've been okay about it. Now that I've gone back to work, it's definitely been more challenging, but I'm trying to be good about at least a few meals a week, trying to provide my family with a good home-cooked meal. So one thing that has been essential in this is a good old crock pot that I know you've all definitely seen before. I know the Instant Pots are popular as well, which I haven't tried yet because I have this crock pot, but I may try as well. Let me know down below if you think that's something I should check out. But I've had this crock pot as a gift from my parents, gosh, several years now, and just haven't used it because, again, I really wasn't cooking much before. But I decided to pull it out and went online to try to find some good recipes that I thought my family would like. So we have one big hit that everyone in the family really likes, and that's a good old chili recipe, especially in these cold months. It's been very nice and comforting to eat a warm bowl of chili for dinner. So I will link the recipe that I've used down below. It's just from a blog. It's the tasteandtellblog.com, and it's a very simple chili recipe. It only takes about 20 to 30 minutes to prepare, and then you throw all the ingredients, including your pre-cooked meat, into the crock pot and just let it go all day. And what's nice about chili is the longer it cooks, the better it gets. So you don't need to worry too much about coming home at a certain hour or taking this out of the crock pot at a certain hour. In fact, the longer you leave it, the better it is. So it works out really well for those kind of really hectic evenings. But this crock pot has just been a lifesaver for us. And if you have any great crock pot recipes you think I need to check out, please let me know. I'm really on the hunt for some really easy but yummy crock pot recipes to check out. So that brings me to the end of my March favorites. So as you can see, I've really been loving a variety of products and definitely want to hear about some things you're loving as well. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Otherwise, I'll plan to see you again in my next video. Bye!